have been learning the types of pronouns, right? So totally how many kinds of pronouns we have learned? Yes, we have learned 4 kinds of pronouns, and they are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and reflexive pronouns. And in this video we are going to learn about interrogative pronouns. So which kind of pronouns we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about interrogative pronouns. So what is pronoun first? Do you remember what are pronouns? Yes, pronouns are the words which is used in place of nouns, which is used in place of nouns. To avoid repetition only we are using pronouns. Am I right? So do you remember what is pronoun? Yes. So pronouns are the words which is used in place of nouns. Why we need to use pronouns? To avoid the repetition of the same noun. Okay. So now what is interrogative? The word interrogative stands for asking questions. Okay. Interrogative means asking questions. So all the question words are called as interrogative only. Okay. So interrogative means asking questions. What are you interrogation means? What are you questioning me? So interrogative, in another word we can say like questions only. So now you can see the definition. Interrogative pronouns means asking questions in place of nouns. Without using the noun, we are going to use question words in place of the nouns only. Okay, in this sentence, in place of the noun we are going to use questions word. So that is why it is called as interrogative pronouns. What is this type of pronouns? Yes, interrogative pronouns. It means it is used to ask question about a people or thing in place of noun. So in place of names we are going to use the question words. So what are question words? All the WH question like who, what, which, whom and whose. These are the five types of interrogative pronouns. These are the 5 types of interrogative pronouns. So what are they? I repeat again. Who, what, which, whom and whose. These are the 5 interrogative pronouns. So let me ask you again, what are interrogative pronouns? Yes, interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions in place of nouns. So the question comes with the interrogative pronoun, but the answer will be what? The noun only, right? So in place of the nouns only we are going to use the question. We are going to ask question only with the usage of interrogative pronoun. Okay. So now let me ask you again, how many pronouns are interrogative pronouns? Yes, there are 5 pronouns. They are who, what, which, whom and whose. Okay, these are the interrogative pronoun. You can note it down that all this question start with WH. All this word starts with or begin with WH. So that's why it is also called as WH words, WH question words. So what it also called as is WH question words. So all these 5 words are the interrogative pronoun, and in this video you are going to learn only the first 2 type of interrogative pronoun. Okay, so we are going to learn only the first 2 type of pronouns, interrogative pronouns in this video. Okay, so let's learn. So what is first type of interrogative pronoun? Here I have written, yes, who. So let's learn about who. Where do we need to use who? What is the meaning of who, and how the who is used in the sentences. Okay, so let's learn who. Who means in Tamil what? Yes, yaar. Who means what? Yaar. Am I right? So let me give you all the Tamil meaning for these pronouns first. Okay, who means yaar, what means enna, which means endha or edu. Okay, and who means yarai, and whose means yarudiyadu. Okay, I repeat again. Who means yaar, what means enna, and which means edu, okay, or endha, and who means yarai, and whose meaning will be yarudiyadu. Okay, so these are the Tamil meaning. Now we are going to learn about the who. How do we use who in the sentences? Okay. So who means yeah only. So it is used to ask question about people only. So this word, this question word who, it is used to ask questions about people. So it is used to talk about the people only. Okay. Let's learn with some example. Okay. You can see the example who telephoned. I have written who telephoned. Here who telephoned means I am asking which person telephoned. Here what will be the answer? The answer may be my mother or my brother telephoned. So instead of my mother or my brother, I am using interrogative pronoun and it ends with question mark also, right? In this sentence it is act like a question only. So I am asking who telephoned. Here the answer may be the noun, that is my mother or my brother. Okay. So instead of using this noun, I am using interrogative pronoun, that is who telephoned. Okay. In place of noun, I am using interrogative pronoun and the sentence will become like who telephoned. Okay. Who telephoned? What will be the answer will be like my brother telephoned or my mother telephoned. So in place of my brother or my mother, I am using interrogative pronoun. Okay. So what is interrogative pronoun? It is used to ask question in place of noun. I am not using here any noun. Can you see any noun here? No. I am simply asking question with the help of interrogative pronoun only. So who stands for question and I am talking about the person. Okay. Who telephoned? It's about the person only, one person. So that person, for that person is a noun only. In place of that person's name, in place of nouns, I am using pronoun that is called as interrogative pronoun. Are you clear about it? Yes. So who telephoned means here which is interrogative pronoun? Yes. The word who stands for interrogative pronoun. Let's learn with one more example. Okay. Who won the match yesterday? Who won the match yesterday? The answer may be Ravi won the match yesterday, or Rahul won the match yesterday, or Priya won the match yesterday. So the answer will be is a noun only, but here I am going to use, instead of nouns, I am going to use interrogative pronoun. Okay. Interrogative means asking question, so it may be the question word, and in place of nouns, so that only that's a pronoun, and who stands for interrogative pronoun only. Okay. So here I am telling you who won the match yesterday. So maybe the answer will be Ravi won the match yesterday will be the sentence. But instead of writing that sentence, I am using interrogative pronouns, that is who. So the sentence will be become like who won the match yesterday. Are you clear, children? Isn't it very easy? Yes. So who means we are going to talk about a person. Whenever we talk about one person, or if we are asking about one person, we use this interrogative pronoun that is who only. Okay. So who means it is used to talk about people only. Who telephoned? The answer will become my brother telephoned. So here my brother telephoned. Instead of writing the sentence my brother telephoned, so my brother is a noun. I am just replacing my brother with the word who. So who telephoned will be become like the usage of interrogative pronoun only. Clear, children? Okay, let's learn about the second type of interrogative pronoun, that is what. Okay. What means in Tamil what? Enna. Okay. Enna. So here what is used for when what are the sentences or in which places we can use what. So let me read out the definition for you. What is a question word which is used to ask questions about people or things. It is used to ask question about the people or the things only. So we can ask the question about the people as well as the things. Okay. Now let's learn with this some examples. Okay. Example number 1 will be, what do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? So here what represent, it stands again for the noun only. In place of noun I am using interrogative pronoun. So the answer may be what do you want for dinner? I may be say biryani want for dinner. I want biryani for dinner. So in place of biryani, I am writing what? Okay. In place of biryani, I am writing what? So here, this what stand for the noun biryani only. Okay. So what do you want for dinner? I want biryani. Instead of biryani, I am using the question word. It's asking about the dinner only. Let's talk about the dinner. Okay. Now next question. What is this? What is this? I may ask you, what is this? This is blackboard. Okay. This is blackboard. So in place of the thing blackboard, I am asking question with the help of interrogative pronoun. So here I am not using blackboard as a noun. Instead, in place of noun, I am using interrogative pronoun, that is what. Okay. So this what stand for blackboard. So I am asking you, what is this? The answer will be, this is blackboard. Okay. This is blackboard. So in place of blackboard, I am using what? What is this? Clear, children? Maybe what is your name? We ask you, what is your name? The answer will be, comes with the noun only. Am I right? My name is Priya. Okay, my name is Rahul. Here, in place of the Rahul and Priya, we use this interrogative pronoun. Clear, children? So, what are interrogative pronouns? Yes, interrogative pronouns are used to ask question in place of noun. So, without using the noun, we use this interrogative pronoun to ask the questions. So, in this video, we have learned about the question word who as well as the what. And in the next video, we will be learning about which, who and whose money. Okay. I hope you are clear with this two type of interrogative, children. Remember that what are interrogative pronouns? Yes, interrogative pronouns are used to ask question. Okay. In place